Welcome to step 3, personalizing your thesis. So, if you look at your unit or your outline template, you will notice that you already have a thesis statement. You have to find and look for the thesis statement. It's highlighted yellow. So, you have two options of what you can do with this. You can leave it exactly like it is. However, if you do that, you won't get full credit for your thesis. In order to get the full 5 points for your thesis, you are going to need to tweak your thesis to reflect your own writing style. This will involve altering both the sentence structure and the word choice. The bolded words, however, you probably don't want to change too much. So those phrases can be kind of moved around to and used in your new version. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example with the thesis that I have. So I was given the thesis, many significant events and technological developments have influenced Generation Z, which has resulted in Generation Z facing problems and having viewpoints that are different from the generation before it. So I am going to go ahead and start with Generation Z. And then I'm going to say that they faces problems and has viewpoints that are different from the generations before it. So far, I've taken care of this part of the thesis. So I'm just going to delete that because I've used all that stuff. Okay. Now, I still need to get the idea that this is, that things have resulted from this. So I'm going to use the word because of the, instead of influence, as I'm going to say affects of significant events, and instead of technological developments, I'm going to say developments in technology. And I'm going to end it with a period and get rid of the rest of this extra. So I have Generation Z faces problems and has viewpoints that are different from the generations before it because of the affects of significant events and developments in technology. Okay, so it says the same thing, just in a little bit different way. So now it's mine, and I can get full credit for my thesis. Okay, so that's it for personalizing your thesis. Go ahead and move on to the next step.